in this webinar, we will discuss how we are extending the performance of our groundbreaking OSQ series and taking a market-leading position with our improved efficacy for our existing line, and by introducing a new lumen option to increase our application reach in the 750 to 1000 watt range. The key takeaways for tomorrow's press release for the portfolio update are twofold. Number one, increased efficacy of existing line by up to 58%. That enables us now to take a market-leading position on efficacy with up to 136 lumens per watt. The second point is we now are increasing our lumen range from 20,000 lumens to 28,000 lumens, and that enables us to bolster our application reach in the 750 to 1000 watt range. Here's a quick look at the mounting options. We have the direct mount. The direct mount is again, this is again a quick refresher from our earlier portfolio. The direct mount enables the OSQ to directly mount to a 3-inch or a 6-inch square or round pole. If you have an adjustable arm, you can directly connect that to a horizontal or vertical tenon. Ordering information: the mount has to be ordered separately, so the mount plus the luminaire has a standard combination for ordering. Alright, so here is our current portfolio, right? So I want to build from this point on. So this is our base slide, and then for the next, let me see, 2 slides. I think the next 2 slides will show you how we are upgrading the portfolio from here. It's the same slide as before. Nothing has changed. We still have the medium, we still have the large. What I'm introducing here is the U power designator, the U option, that enables you to now go up to 28,000 lumens. So going from 10, 15, 20, and now 28. And that goes across all optics. What I have done here though, I have broken up the optics into 2 groups. The asymmetrics, the type 2, the type 3, and the type 4 in group 1, let's say. And then the symmetrics, the type 5s, the flood, and the white sign into one group. And what you see here, right now, both the groups are the same system wattage, right? 112 volts, 168, and 223. In the next slide, I will talk about how we are upgrading the portfolio. So we are taking a staged approach for the upgrade. The first stage will be just upgrading the symmetric optics. So what you will see in the next slide is that these wattages for the symmetrics, the type 5, the flood, and the white sign optics, these wattages will change to a lower wattage. And that gives us the increased efficacy in terms of lumens per watt. So here we go. So that's what happened, right? So previously we were at 112, now we are at 86. Previously we were at 168, now we are at 130. Before we were at 223, now we are at 171. While doing so, we also changed the power designators, right? From A we went to B, from J we went to K, and from S we went to T. So those are the changes in summary, right? So we're taking a staged approach for the upgrade. So stage 1 will be the upgrade of the symmetric optics. Stage 2 is when we'll be upgrading the asymmetric optics. Alright, so this is now taking a step further and kind of mapping the power designators across the HID replacement equivalents, right? So if you are an so on the top, the first 2 columns would be the mediums, right? So that's the range from 86 watts to now 168. Now that is an equivalent replacement to anywhere in the 150 to 400 watt range. If you are in the large option where you go over 20,000 lumens up to 28,000 lumens now, that's where you start hitting that 750 to 1000 watt replacement range. When the upgrade is happening, there's no change in the pricing. The only price introduction that we are bringing to the table is the U option. Thanks again, and we'll chat soon.